Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. The first sentence, the first statement is simple. This channel is for entertainment purpose only. So I'm not a financial advisor. Again, entertainment purposes only. All right. So let's talk about how do we make money with Perplexity Computer, with Manus AI, with OpenClaw, with the newest Nemo Claw as an NVIDIA Nemotron AI agent. All right, so I've been playing with all these AI agents and I'm searching for passive income. Um, so one of the best ideas that Perplexity Computer, I've been juggling on a different computers. I'm juggling 7 laptops, um, and I asked him, find me a way to make passive income. I want to set up some things on, let's say, Polymarket, and help me out to make some money while I'm sleeping. So Perplexity told me that yeah, there is a cool thing to set up on Polymarket. It's a bot on Telegram. Um, so let's have a look. So let's do this. Let's set it up, and I'll ask you kindly to share my video with your friends. Not just that, give me a like, thumbs up, please subscribe if you didn't, and I'll ask you kindly to use my link. It's a referral link, all right? So it's t.me/polycop. The bot, it's Polycop. It's on Polymarket. It's easy to set up. You just follow the instructions. The worst problem is I'll show you what to do. It's just that I have to show you in pictures. I cannot do it on this laptop. It has few issues. So again, use my link. I will leave it in there. So it's t.me/hedge, t.me/polycop, all right, underscore bot start ref and zwm blah blah blah. Use this please when you register. I'll make a little bit of money, and you're saving 10% of the fees. All right, so let's do this, and this will prompt you to the bot, and the bot, uh, it looks like this. Let's see. First, I'll ask you to do and set up these, and first one, it's the uptrend. It will prompt you. After that, you will go to wallet and you will deposit some money. Don't be afraid. They will create a wallet for you. You deposit it. Use the easiest way. You can use Solana, but the easiest way, what I found, it's USDC, like yeah, USD Circle, USDC, on either BNB, like it's BEP20, it's Ethereum ERC20. You can use Arbitrum or Base. All right, so USDC, it's easy. And remember one thing, set it up like this. Follow these instructions. They will prompt you to these. Okay, so the bot, you set it up for 15 minutes. So click on these 15 minutes, then give it a name, and this is the uptrend. You can name it up or uptrend or going up or whatever. Then remember, go in here and set it up for 13 minutes. It's 13:00. That's the trigger start and that's the trigger end. So this will scan the movement of Bitcoin, okay, from the 13th minute on the 15-minute contract. Okay, so it will start from the 13th till the 14th and 36th. So it works for just about 90 seconds. Okay, so minimum up price, they only buy if it's 0.70, so they will buy at 70 cents, and maximum set it up like 95 cents. Okay, so this is type of a percentage. Consider it as a 0.7. It's a 70 percent chance that it will go up in the next 1 minute and a half. All right. So the most important is that in these 90 seconds or 120 seconds, the market goes up, but the bot it's cool and analyzing it, and it's mostly certain that you will win this bet. It's as simple like that. Anyway, you're everything is automatic. Then go in here and set it up as 50. So put 50. This leave it unchanged. Buy up. So click on these. Make sure you go buy up. And then limit order duration, don't touch them. Limit price, set it up at 0.92. Just set it up like this, don't be afraid. And then single trade by amount. Let's say if you're depositing, I'm telling you, let's say you deposit $3,000. Use in here 1,000. Don't be afraid. Split this in three. Split your money in three. Or if you're more conservative, split it in four. So let's say if you have $3,000, use 750. If you have divided, so what I'll ask you, just divide it by three and use that amount, and don't be afraid. Just yeah, plug it in. The point is, I'm not expecting any glitches on these. So, but still, put in here just the money that you can afford to lose. But still, I don't see how we're gonna lose money on these. And number of rounds, put in there 40 numbers, because it's every 15 minutes and it will not trigger every 15 minutes. So put in there a 40, 50, whatever number of rounds that the bot will uh, be triggered. But not just that, after that you refresh it. So don't be afraid and you reset this number. Okay, TP, take profit, don't touch anything. And here, stop loss price, it's 0.45. So let's say if it gets a bet at 0.70, if it goes down, it will stop loss. It will sell it at 0.45. So you're losing a part of the money, not all of it. All right. And then uh, click start. This is for the uptrend. And after that, have a look in parallel, same story. Put a third of the money and go for downtrend. So follow these instructions, same story. 15 minutes, give it a name, trade down or downtrend or down trading or whatever. Same story, 13:30, set up the trigger, and ends on 14:40. So 14 minutes and 40. So it's more seconds. Don't worry about it. Minimum down price 0.70. Same story. You're buying 70% chance that it will go down. Maximum price 0.95. And here pay attention. This it's a minus 400. Okay. And BTC change minus 400. And maximum change, you put it in here, minus 50. Okay, so don't be afraid, place these numbers in here with the minus sign. Okay, buy down, don't forget, click these, it's a buy down. And okay, don't touch these. Go, same story, limit price 0.92. So you're placing a limit order. Okay, so it's 92 cents or better. So let's say if it's 70, the order will be set at 70 cents. If it's 75, no problem, 75. So all the time it will be limit price 0.92 or better. So I got trades, excellent trades, which there were around 80, 82. There were some 90s. So they are in there. We're making money. The buy amount, same story. Put in here, don't be afraid. Use a third of your money, the deposited money. Okay, so let's say on either amount you put, what I'm saying, it's the third of the main balance that you transferred. Just let's say if you have $1,000, put 330. Don't be afraid. And just started, no problem. Let me see, and we're going in here. Number of rounds, put in there 40, 50, 60, I don't care. It's not a big deal because you refresh it after 2 days, 3 days. And then stop loss price again, 0.45. So stop loss 0.45. So if the machine place a bet on 70 cents, if it goes against you, it will sell it at 0.45. All right, so that's kind of it. Install it, don't be afraid. uh, just set it up and use my link, it's in here. And yeah, follow, because I will find new ways of making money, methods of making money. It will be new methods of uh, arbitrage deals. So the best question that I will ask my AI agents. Okay, I have Manus, I have OpenClaw, NemoClaw, and Perplexity Computer. So I'll ask them to find me, and I'll give you these ideas. Find me arbitrage deals, like two different bets that will complement each other, like two antagonistic trades, that anything at the end of the event we will make money. So follow my channel, please. And yeah, that's kind of it. And have a profitable day.